I can see in that situation. In the search query, it used the JavaScript document, right? Which writes out the data to the page and calls, and then after that, it will call the data in the search location, which is controlled using the URL of the website. In this situation, we gotta have to call using another function inside of it's some type of tag, some sort. So see all these posts, but I don't think we're gonna need that. For sure, we can just do this search. Let's do something that's actually there. See where this is being brought in. If we inspect and hit the Q key, you can see where this is being brought into. It's being put into a H1 tag, but it's being brought into the to an image source tag here. But then I think we're gonna have to put a test payload in here and see where it goes. Obviously, I've did this one before, so we possibly put do a test one and see before we just fire something off. Just do the basic test we did multiple times before and see what it does. Yep, that worked in that case. So we know that it's working in here. So should be able to do any script tag. You just add this. You can just do a little one just to see if that works or not. Yeah, that worked. So the reason why that worked is because, let's see if I can highlight where that is. So because the reason why that worked is because it's showing inside the script tag here, the script source here, And there's a vulnerability in here because it's rescape. So the reason why that worked is because this is housed inside this script tag and script source in here. And we just, all we had to do was, in the beginning of our payload, we had to use the parentheses here and the enclosing bracket, which allowed us to escape that tag. Because anytime you're inside of a tag, if you want to escape it, you're gonna have to put a closing bracket in front of your payload to escape it, for allow you to use any payload that is probably not filtered. So you can escape it and just put whatever payload you want. That's if there's no protection in place. You're not doing any type of filtering or deleting values. So we do the same thing with this payload. We just have to do this with the image source and it should work. If not, yeah, that worked. See how it escaped it because it's still inside that script tag, script source tag. So that's why that still worked. So now that we know that one's completed, see solution. So yeah, so we did it right. So they use SVJ obviously, but as long as you have the enclosing with the parentheses here in front of your payload, any type of payload will work as long as it does some type of alert and has the parentheses and enclosing caret bracket in front of your payload. It should work. And the next one should be another DOM, and this time it is this one, the DOM XSS in inner HTML sync. See you guys in the next one. It should be possibly similar situation. Let's just preview that. This time it's in a div, so yeah, we'll go dive deeper into using that inside of a div element.